We are doing Scholarship Calculus 2023, question 2a. It says, given that x is in between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi, and cotangent x equals negative 5 over 12, find the exact value for sine x over 2. It took me a while to find the easiest way to explain, I think. Yeah, first of all, because cotangent x is negative 5 over 12, so as you know, then 10x must be minus 12 over 5, right? And then we figured out where it is. Well, first of all, let me explain where x is, right? 1, 2, 3, right? So 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi, isn't it? So tangent behaves like this. Right? So we are talking about in between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi over here. Now, sine goes that way. So we are expecting, I don't know. So x is in between this. So I assume would be a negative value. We will see. So tangent x is negative 12 over 5. Then, so I can draw this. So the angle is in between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. That means fourth quadrant, isn't it, over here? So I can draw a triangle like this. So that's x, right? So tangent x. So minus 12 over 5. That means what? This is 12 and y value is negative 5, right? So as you know, triangle, right angle triangle. So this is 12 and that is 5. It's got to be what? 13, isn't it? It's one of the Pythagorean triplet, isn't it? Like a 3, 4, 5 and 12, 5, 13. So we know this hypotenuse is 13. Now, because it's x over 2, what that means is we have to bisect x. That becomes x over 2, right? If we find this midpoint, so because this is a 5, and that point there must be 5 over 2, right? Okay, so I'm saying we are finding this minus 5 over 2. Okay, so that becomes the angle there is x over 2. All right, so sine x over 2. Oh, hold on, because this is a 5 over 2, well, actually negative 5 over 2, but to find hypotenuse we just use positive number. So what is it? Square root of, so say this h equals square root of 12 squared, which is 144, plus 25 over 4, isn't it? So that means square root of, we need a calculator, 144 times 4 plus 25, 601. So this means hypotenuse is a square root of 601 over 2, isn't it? So h is square root of 601 over 2. So when I say sine x over 2, that's got to be what? Because this is a minus, isn't it? So minus 5 over 2 over hypotenuse, which is 601 over 2. So simplifying, negative 5 over square root of 601. Now we have to rationalize this a. So square root of 601 on both sides, up and down. So negative 5 square root of 601 over 601 should be exact value of sine x over 2. Alright, I will see you next time. 안녕.